Here's what traders expect now that Ethereum price is over $3,000. Welcome back to our number crunching ritual on your favorite channel, Crypto Stats, the channel that brings you daily news about crypto. If you don't want to miss things, make sure you subscribe on your channel and turn on the notifications. Here is a $25 giveaway for you at the end of August. All you need to do is Step 1. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Step 2. Leave a comment of your favorite coin name. Step 3. Watch the whole video from beginning to the end. After the Ethereum price hit $3,000 for the first time in quite a long time, traders speculated that the bull market might be returning. Here's what traders are expecting now that the price of Ethereum has surpassed $3,000. Stick with me till the end for more. You should keep this in mind. The London hard fork of Ethereum went off without a hitch, and speculators are now aiming for fresh highs above $3,100. The price of Ether did see a sell the news sell-off shortly after London went live, according to data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. But dip buyers rapidly came in and drove it back above $2,800, its highest level since June 7th. After Bitcoin's price soared above $44,000, the bullish momentum continued, and Ether is currently trading at $3,050 at the time of writing. With that in mind, let's get into it. Here's a look at what traders and analysts expect from the top altcoin now that the network is back up and running after its biggest update of the year. 1. The upswing is extended by a closure above the weekly resistance. Rekt Capital, a pseudonymous Twitter analyst, provided insight into Ether's price movement, highlighting the altcoin's weekly resistance level as a crucial hurdle to overcome in order to maintain the current upswing. Rekt Capital stated the following: Ether is approaching one of its last significant higher time frame resistances. Once Ether breaks through this $2,770 obstacle, it will see little resistance until it reaches the old all-time high of $4,400. 2. Despite the above barrier, traders anticipate ETH burns to boost prices. Traders should keep an eye on a probable advance to $2,600, according to Spin Trades, a pseudonymous Twitter analyst, while a break and close above $3,000 may lead to a rally to $3,300. A new Ether burning mechanism was implemented in the London hard fork, which burns a portion of the transaction fees and removes it from the circulating supply of tokens. According to the following tweet from Alex Kruger, more than 2,160 Ether, or $6 million, was burned in the first 7 hours, and investors appear to believe that if this trend continues, the price will rise. Should you invest in Ethereum right now? Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency by volume, but its numerous applications can make it more difficult for new investors to get started than Bitcoin. Ethereum serves two purposes. 1. It works as money and may be used as a store of value, explains Bill Noble, CEO of Token Metrics, a cryptocurrency analytics company. However, Ethereum acts as a decentralized finance highway. Ethereum is a software platform that works on a blockchain, rather than a digital gold like Bitcoin. Users can interact with the site using Ether, the Ethereum-related cryptocurrency, or purchase and hold it as a store of value. Developers frequently utilize Ethereum, however, there are certain drawbacks. Consider Ethereum to be a smartphone, according to Leach. Developers can create apps for cell phones in the same way that they do for Ethereum. Ethereum apps are primarily tailored toward crypto enthusiasts, whereas mobile phone apps are more universally applicable these days. In the case of the lending app, a developer might create an app that other crypto users could use to lend and borrow. Here are 2 reasons why I think you should invest and 1 reason why I think you should not. Why you should. 1. The Ethereum blockchain has a wider range of applications. Any cryptocurrency that wants to exist must have some kind of real-world utility. Bitcoin is the most popular and commonly acknowledged cryptocurrency right now. The Ethereum blockchain, on the other hand, is used for a wide range of functions, which offers it an advantage. Ethereum is the platform for not only the Ether token, but also non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and decentralized finance. The decentralized finance movement aspires to transform the financial industry, and NFTs have the potential to revolutionize how digital items are bought and exchanged. Ethereum 2.0 also aims to make the blockchain faster and more scalable, allowing it to be utilized for a wider range of applications. This might provide Ethereum with even more utility and a competitive advantage. The extensive utility of Ethereum could benefit Ether as well. If Ether is necessary for Ethereum blockchain applications, Ether's success may offer it a competitive advantage over Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. 2. Ethereum 2.0 has the potential to offer it a competitive advantage. One of the most common critiques of cryptocurrencies is that it uses a lot of energy. Crypto tokens are created through a series of complex computer procedures called mining. The mining process uses a lot of energy, and crypto opponents are worried about the environmental impact. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has declared that the company will no longer accept Bitcoin as a form of payment due to its negative impact on the environment. That statement was one of the factors contributing to the recent crypto crisis, as investors questioned if cryptocurrencies could survive in the long run. Ethereum, on the other hand, is working to make the technology more energy efficient. Ethereum is the name of the blockchain technology, and Ether is the token that is hosted on that blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 is an improved version of the blockchain that will be released later this year or early next year, claiming to utilize 99.95% less energy than current technology. Ethereum may have a competitive advantage in the crypto business and a leg up on Bitcoin if it becomes more energy efficient. Why you should avoid. 1. It's highly volatile. Cryptocurrency is still an incredibly volatile investment, as the past few weeks have demonstrated. Ethereum dropped over 50% of its value between May 12th and May 24th. While it has since rebounded, downturns like this can be difficult to bear. This isn't the first time Ethereum has suffered significant losses. In reality, Ethereum's price fell by roughly 94% in 2018. Cryptocurrency is still a highly risky investment, and Ethereum's long-term viability is unknown. With cryptocurrency, we're in uncharted ground, and it's anyone's guess whether it'll alter the world or crash and burn. If you decide to invest in Ethereum, be sure you have a high risk tolerance and are only putting money into it that you can afford to lose. The last thing you want to do is gamble your life savings on a cryptocurrency investment. Ethereum has the potential for huge gains, but it's also a very dangerous investment. Make sure you've done your homework and understand what you're getting yourself into before investing in this cryptocurrency. Some of us might be confused about which cryptocurrency to invest in right now, and especially between Ethereum and Bitcoin. Have a look at this. Bitcoin and Ethereum have enjoyed a wild ride so far this year. Despite the tremendous drop they've both seen over the last several weeks, Bitcoin's price has risen almost 300%, and Ethereum's price has risen by more than 900% in the last 12 months. Now that cryptocurrency prices are falling, it would be a good idea to buy the dip and invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum while they're still cheaper. But if you just have a limited amount of money to invest, which cryptocurrency will provide you the best return? Here's what you should be aware of. When it comes down to it, the choice between Bitcoin and Ethereum as investments boils down to the risk tolerance of the investor. As the world becomes increasingly digital and cryptocurrency's adoption grows, both are positioned to perform well over time. Although the bullish feeling among specialists in the area looks to have only strengthened over the previous year for Ethereum, Bitcoin is the more mainstream and stable of the two. Like any investments, it's feasible that Ethereum's increased risk equates to larger rewards. In any case, it's no longer 2009. Both currencies have advanced past the proof of concept stage, and now is the time for investors who haven't looked into them to do so. As I always say, be wise with investing in cryptocurrency. Do not rush into any coin. Well, that's all for today. Before we end this, what do you think about Ethereum? Should you invest in Ethereum or Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments section below what you think. Meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and turn on the post notification for more amazing videos.